Hey guys, Trot this side. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Curapod. Now, if you have been following my channel, you know I'm big on performance, recovery, and anything that helps you stay consistent, whether that's running, training, or just staying productive without pain slowing you down. And recently I came across Curapod, which is India's first personalized wearable device for drug-free pain relief. So, today we are going to do a full deep dive. I'll unbox it, set it up, and show you how it works. Talk about the science behind it, go through the safety guidelines, and most importantly, I'll tell you whether this actually makes sense for you. Also, if you're looking out for some discounts, you can use my code TROTTECH20 to get 20% off on Curapod. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside you'll get a dongle. You'll get 2 Curapod units. Let's go inside the box. In this you'll get adhesive patches that you can place behind your Curapod to stick them directly to your skin. I'll even show you how to use them. And yeah, you've got some cables. So it uses a Type-C. Then this one is the strap L, which is the larger strap. So basically the larger strap is designed for areas like the lower back and all. There is this strap S, which are the smaller straps, which will be used for like smaller joints like knees, shoulders, ankles, or neck. And here comes the charger. Also very important guys that you use the company's original adapter, which is this one, because low voltage or incompatible chargers can like potentially damage your device. And yeah, so don't just plugging into random cheap adapters. Use this one only. Now let's talk about what Curapod actually is. Curapod uses something called photobiomodulation, basically red light and near infrared light therapy. Red and near infrared light have been used in physiotherapy clinics for years. In simple terms, it helps your body recover faster by supporting natural healing mechanisms. Now, let's set it up. First step, you have to charge the device. It uses a Type-C charging and takes roughly about 45 to 60 minutes to fully charge. Once charged, download the Curapod app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app, create your account, and then you'll see an option to add your pain site. This is where it becomes personalized. You select whether you are treating your neck, knee, lower back, shoulder, ankle, and so on. Next, you pair the device via Bluetooth. The app guides you through it. Once connected, you physically place the Curapod on the area of pain. Both the pods are meant to be used together. If it's a smaller joint, use the adhesive patch to stick it directly to the clean dry skin. If it's a larger area like your lower back, use the strap to secure it tightly so it stays in place. Then you start the session from the app. Each session lasts about 30 minutes. It is advised to use it daily for a couple of weeks for better results. I felt relief in 3 to 5 sessions, but chronic conditions may take longer. Now, here's something important. The primary way to control Curapod is through the app. The device itself has very limited onboard control. So, realistically, you'll be using your phone to start and manage sessions. The app allows you to choose the pain area, track sessions, and monitor your progress over time. I tested whether you can fully operate it manually without the app, and while basic functionality may be possible, the personalized tracking is clearly app-driven. If you want to use the device manually without the app, just touch and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn it on. Place it on the area of discomfort, then touch the power button again to start the session. The device will automatically switch off after 30 minutes. That makes it fairly simple even if you don't want to rely on the app every single time. During the session, you don't feel anything extreme. There's mild warmth at most. This is a light-based therapy, so it's subtle. You sit in one place and let it run. And that brings me to a very key usage rule. You're not supposed to use it while running, walking, or during physical exertion. This is meant to be used while sitting or resting. Overexertion during therapy is not advisable. Now, let's talk about safety. It should not be used on unhealed wounds or open areas. Always apply it on the intact skin. If you have any serious medical condition, implanted electronic devices, or are pregnant, consult your doctor first. Each session is 30 minutes, so don't overdo it beyond recommended guidelines. More is not always better with light therapy. Shelf life is typically 3 to 5 years for the device, and one device can be used by multiple family members. Just make sure to use separate adhesive patches and maintain hygiene. Now, let's talk about something I found interesting, the small Type-C dongle in the box. If the device ever hangs or become unresponsive, you can reboot it using the dongle. To reset it, insert the dongle into the Curapod device, wait for about 5 seconds, then remove it. That essentially restarts the system. It's a simple but smart troubleshooting solution. In terms of practicality, here's my honest take. It's compact and portable. It offers drug-free pain management. It uses clinically positioned technology. It has app-based personalization. Also, it comes with everything you need in the box. It's reusable across family members, it's non-invasive and easy to use at home. So, who is this exactly for? So, if you're someone dealing with chronic joint pain, runner's knee, or lower back stiffness, or muscle recovery issues, and if you want something you can use daily at home without depending on medication, Curapod could be a solid option. If you're expecting something like overnight magic, this probably isn't for you. Personally, I think devices like this make sense when used as a part of a broader recovery routine that includes stretching, strengthening, mobility work, proper sleep, and nutrition. This isn't a shortcut, it's a tool. And if you're planning to buy one, I've got you covered. You can use my code TROTTECH20 to get 20% off on Curapod. I'll leave the link and the code down in the description and in the pinned comment. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.